Okay, we've had to strip down the old Vulcan, the 800 Kawasaki. I've had it since 2006, so it's stripped down. There's the engine, forks at the back, wheels are there, tank, bits and pieces. The reason being is I had to make room for a new member of the fleet. This thing. It's a Lamb's bike, 450, so that Shona can learn to ride. And there's the 500 Street, so that Tyler can ride on his learners. And because I'm still on my learners, there's my 1200. And when I get a bit more experience, I can ride my fatty. There he is there. So that's the fleet now. 4 of them, plus the stripped down one. There we go.